pay the price, mister. Okay? It's either the hard way or the good way. I mean, you choose. You're on the other side. So what you're going to do, you're going to put your hands here on the top, you're going to touch your knees. 30 seconds. Breathe. Up, 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 up. Okay. Okay, so I need a 10 air squat. I need you to warm up your leg. So from here, go up, squat 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now, you're going to go from here. Make sure that you have your fingers underneath. And you come back with your shoulder nice and straight. And inside, boom. Okay, you're going to lift it. Now, if you need to use your legs to do that, that's fine. But make sure that your shoulder is straight when you come back, no curves, because otherwise you're going to feel it. Okay? So you're going to go in, inside, up. Almost 90 pounds. Okay, ready? Go. Lift. And again. Come on. Again. Come on. Come on. Okay, now you're going to jump inside of the circle. Go. Come back. Out. So go down again. And back again. One more time. One more time. And stop. Catch your breath. Try it. Easy way or hard way? You are in charge. Okay? Shoulder down, glute, there you go. Lift your shoulder. And back. 1. Shoulder down, glutes down. Come on. 2. There you go. Come on. There you go. 4. Left. Come on. And stop. Okay. Jump here and back. On the top of the thigh. And back. 1. Again. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
Oh, shit.
All right, when you're ready, you're going to do it again. Same thing. Catch your breath first. All right, ready? No. Go. Come on. There you go. 1. Come on. 2. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Catch your breath. Before the month is over, I would like you to be in the 60. Okay? So I was hoping that today already was either 172, maybe we were dreaming 171, and now we just lost a week. So today,
because I didn't run like I was normally should be.
like I said, I mean, I'm not questioning anything. I'm just saying that, I was hoping.
With push-ups helping or making heavy?
Everything helps. Okay, it's all about the food. Right? It has nothing to do with the training. If you eat 1,000 calories and you burn 1,000 calories, the game is over. But if you eat 2,000 calories and you only burn 1,000, now you have 1,000 calories stored that way. Go. Shoulders up, shoulders up, shoulders up. Come on, go. 1. Go, 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 go. 2. Come on. Come on. 3. Come on. And 4. Okay. Do 10 jumping and so in and out. Okay, so from here, boom, boom, and out. So I'm going to count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, This guy's the professional. All right. So you're going to go in and then down. After you finish the push-up, I want you to jump with both feet and up your hands. So you're going to do 1, 2. Okay? Let me see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. Pretty cool. You right?
Yeah.
Okay, take it off, please.
I feel strong today.
I know. I don't question that. But like I said, we needed to take more than we can. I know. You look strong. You feel strong. let's say 35, 40%. Everything that you do at home is the rest. Got it? All right. Ready? Okay. Lay down. You're going to bend first. Okay? Fast. 1, down. 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 more. Come on. 1 and 2. Okay. From here, you want to slap this on the wall strong, otherwise it's going to fall. 1, okay? 2, okay? 20. Let's stay right here. Go. Ready? 1. Come on. 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Woo!
Next.
Alright, come here. So, when I throw the ball to you, I do a push-up, and you're going to do the same. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Go, baby. There you go. 3. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, I'll ask for that one.
Come on, back. We have 3 minutes. Yeah. 20. That's it. Go. 1. Push with your core. 2. Come on. 4. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Again. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 5 more. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. The only time that I didn't text you, you're going to make the weight. Did you see that? You're going to be all right. All right, so last one. You're going to wait a minute. No, like, so you were going to give me your 100%. So you wanted something. That is area, no, that is area. So, on the chin, elbows up. Elbow up. Okay, now the elbow, they will touch all the way to the knees, right here. Up, shoulder. Okay, go. Down, 1. Again. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7, 8, 9, 2 more, 1, and 2. Now you go.
How do you catch your breath?
Absolutely. How? You needed to learn how to breathe with your nose. Because when you breathe with your mouth, okay, you are signal to the body that something is wrong. So we get agitated. Now, if you calm down, you will calm down faster if you breathe with your nose. When you see sprinters, if you see people that run marathon, they don't do that. Or when they train themselves to breathe with their nose, they come faster. The capacity is not big enough because you never trained at a high intensity before. So, we have to do that and plus many other things. Good job, man. Good job.